Do you want to grow your crypto portfolio automatically without having to worry about market dips and perfect timing? Let me show you how to use the Bitget Spot Auto Invest Bot, your hands-free way to build wealth in crypto. First, let me tell you what it is. This is a smart trading bot that automatically buys crypto for you based on your own rules. It helps you build long-term wealth using a dollar cost averaging strategy. This means you invest a fixed amount regularly instead of chasing the perfect price. And this is why thousands of users love it. It trades for you, it's fully automatic, it spreads your buys over time, reducing risk, and it's fully customizable to meet your goals and your comfort level. And this is how to simply set it up on your phone. Tap Trade at the bottom of your Bitget app. At the top, tap Tools, then open the Bot tab. Tap Create a Bot and select Spot Auto Invest. Choose your setup method, manual settings or full control, or recommended settings for a quick start. If you go manual, here's how you customize everything and add up to 10 coins of your choice. You can set how much your investment goes to each and make sure it totals to 100%. Then choose your investment amount in USDT, choose your frequency daily, weekly or bi-weekly or even monthly. And even for more value, turn on Earn Boost. What this does is that it automatically moves your purchase coins into flexible earns. So with this on, you keep earning passive income. And once everything looks good, tap on Create Order to execute your plan. You can check, pause or modify it anytime under my bots. It's that flexible. And as usual, trade smarter.